Welcome class 5 in your EVS class, and as we are taking from testing to digestion, and one interesting story is here, stomach with a window. So today I will explain you about this, what were the experiment and what was the story actually proceeded with the experiments of a doctor, and how it is very useful for us. Okay, so the story, a stomach with a window. In the poem, you have read about a soldier called the Martin. In 1822, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat her, but after a half an year, doctor found that Martin's wound had been healed except with a loose flap of the skin, like the washer in a football. Press the skin. Could you take out the food from the stomach by putting a tube in the take out the food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Dr. Beaumont thought he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing this experiment on this stomach? 9 years. During this time, Martin grew up and got well. So it is a story of a soldier who got injured in his stomach, and a doctor called Beaumont, he has did the surgery and he had treated him. But after 1.5 years, he found it that everywhere it is being healed, but one hole is being left in the stomach, and this hole was actually covered by a flappy skin, or you can say a flap-like structure, or the fold of the skin. So he got it. It's very interesting. So he had saw a very big hole in the stomach, and it was just the washer of the football. That means you can just take up the flap and you can see inside. So by putting a tube inside the hole, Dr. Beaumont found that whatever he has eaten, he is finding them. So it was a very interesting thing for him, and he thought that in this way he can understand and he can do so many experiments, so that he could find that what are the actions and reactions are going inside the stomach and how the food is being digested inside our stomach. So for that reason he had so many experiments. What type of experiments he has done? At that time, scientists did not know how the food was digested. How does the liquid or the digestive juices are being secreted in the stomach. So it was a very different aspect for the doctor, and he found all these experiment. Through this experiment, he found all the things, all the digestive juices, about them he came to know, and how the food is being digested in the stomach. This is also clear to the doctor. Now Dr. Beaumont took some liquids out of the stomach. So at first what he has done, he take out some, as we know in the stomach, the gastric juices and some digestive juices are being secreted. So he has he took out some of the juices in a test tube, and in this test tube he filled in a glass filled with it, and he kept some of the food item inside the juice. For this, he did an experiment with the help of the tube. He took out some digestive juices from the stomach at 8:30 a.m. and then he put 20 tiny pieces of the boiled fish in 10 millimeters. Why he has done this? Because in our stomach, at first the food is being churned, no, it is being crushed within the stomach. So he has made the fishes in a very small pieces, that is the 10 millimeter of the each fish size. Then he put it, he kept the glass the same temperature, whatever our body temperature and whatever the temperature of our stomach, that is 30 degree centigrade. Then when he checked out 2 p.m. he found that pieces of the fish are being dissolved. So in this way he find out that due to this juices, whatever the food we are eating, they are not digested by their own, but the stomach has a system to secrete some digestive juices along with the acid. This is being dissolved in the stomach. Okay, so it was a big deal, it was a big invention what the doctor has done. Now, Dr. Bhuman tried his experiment with the different food items. So he kept different type of items, and some of the observation he has drawn, and he has compared that how much time it takes to digest inside our body, and whenever whatever the artificial system have been made by him, he was putting some gastric juices as well as the digestive juices in the glass, and putting the same item in that glass, and maintaining the temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. Even that these food takes more time to dissolve or to digest in comparison to the food which are digested inside our body. So there are few items, just he has taken the time for the digestion. So the number of the item in the stomach and in the glass which are poured with the digestive juices. So unboiled milk 2 hours 15 minutes take in the stomach to digest, whereas just the double 4 hours 45 minutes it takes in the glass. Then boiled milk 2 hours, and again in the glass it takes 4 hours 15 minutes. Full boiled egg 3 hours 30 minutes, whereas it takes in the glass 8 hours. Then raw egg which is beaten, it has been taken in the stomach 2 hours, whereas in the glasses it takes 4 hours 15 minutes. And raw egg 1 hour 30 minutes, whereas 4 hours in the digestive juices poured in the glass in the outer or the artificial system. So these all he has observed and came to know outside of the our body, the food takes much more time than in compared to the food which are being digested inside our body. So it was a very big experiment, big inventions, and he has opened the door for the other scientists and the other kind of the doctors, so that they were motivated by this doctor, and they started some kind of experiment by other ways to know what are the biochemical reactions goes inside our body, and what kind of reactions can happen inside our body through some other sources. It doesn't mean that they all have made a hole inside the stomach, but they have done some other ways, and once they came to know what kind of digestive juices are secreted inside our stomach, what kind of juices are secreted in intestine, then they came to know by doing the chemical reactions, by doing different experiments, they came to know through their observations how the food is being digested inside our body. So Dr. Bhuman experiments become famous across the world. And after this many scientists did many experiments, nor did they wait for the patient with the hole in the stomach. They used some other scientific ways to look after inside the body. So this is all about, and we came to know the medium of the different organs inside our body. So we came to know from these experiments, in the stomach it is acidic in medium, and in the intestine it is little bit basic in medium. So these all observations were possible only for this Dr. Bhuman and the brave soldier Martin, who had all the experiment. He helped the doctor. Almost 9 years he took. Doctor took to take all type of experiment, and this soldier Martin, he helped the doctor, he cooperated the doctor. So from this invention we came to know what are the biochemical reactions and what are the juices are being produced inside our body. So that's all for today, and in my next class I will discuss about the questions, and goodbye.